Good morning, grade 9. We are starting lesson number 11 of chemistry, and the chapter is structure of molecules. Again, the topic is metallic bond, and it's given on page number 108 and 109. Metallic bond. There are many metals present in the periodic table: aluminium, silver, copper, platinum, etc. And you have saw so many in your daily life as well, like iron, gold, etc. Metals are formed from atoms and molecules in pure form. For example, a sample of pure gold is formed of gold atoms. Means gold is a metal and it is made up of pure atoms of gold. That's why it is in its pure form. The atoms in metallic solids are bonded tightly to each other. You know, metals exist in solid form, means there are no spaces between the atoms of metals, so they are bonded tightly to each other. These bonds are neither ionic nor covalent because they are neither formed due to electron transfer nor due to the sharing of electrons between the atoms. Means there is another concept for metallic bond. In metals, we deal with different kind of bond called metallic bond. Means this is a new another bond other than ionic and covalent, which is metallic bond. Here the metallic bonds cannot be explained on the basis of ionic, covalent or van der Waals force. There are various theories which explain the metallic bonds. Means other than ionic concept, covalent concept and van der Waals force, the theories which will explain the metallic bonds are other than these concepts. Clear? The metallic bonds can be explained on the basis of electron C or electron gas theory. So means two theories. Electron C model, or electron gas theory. Atoms in metals are bonded with each other in such a way that every atom is attracted from all sides by other forces. So means this concept is about the electron C present around the metal atom, which will attract the metal ion from all sides. So these are, for example, zinc atoms together in a metal structure. Now zinc need to lose electron and this zinc also need to lose electron, so no transfer of electron between them, but the electrons are free around them and the ions are positive. So the attraction between these electrons and the central positive metal ion is actually the attraction which is known as the metallic bond. So this metal ion in the center is attracted from all sides by electrons. Are you getting it? Electron C model. In the metal lattice, metal atoms lost their electrons, the outer electrons, and become positively charged ions. And you know about this concept already, that the metal atoms have free electrons in their outer shell that are not actually free but that are present in their outermost shell and far away from the nucleus, so atom can lose it very easily. So by losing these electrons, the atom become positively charged ion. The outer electrons of the atom no longer belong to any metal atom and are said to be delocalized. Delocalized means they do not belong to any of the atom. If we say localized, means this electron belongs to this atom. But delocalized means these all electrons become free, which means that they do not belong to any one atom but move freely between the metal ions like a cloud of negative charge. These mobile electrons form a sea of electrons around the metal atoms. So it means these moving electrons form a sea of electrons around the metal atoms, which are the positively charged ions which are held together in a metal lattice in the given diagram. So you can see the atoms when lost their electron become positively charged ions and the electrons become free. So these moving electrons form a sea of electron and together positively charged ions are present inside. So you know these are opposite charges now, positive charges and negative electrons. So positive ions and negative electrons, there must be attraction between them. The chemical bonding that results from the attraction between metal positive ions and the surrounding sea of electrons is called the metallic bonding. And this strong attraction actually form the metallic bond, which is a metallic bond and result in a strong solid structure, and that's why metal exists in solid form due to this strong attraction between the sea of electron and the positively charged ions. Are you getting it? This is so easy to understand. So in your homework you have to do the activity 4.3 in your book, that is to identify 10 common substances in and around your home and indicate whether you would expect these substances to contain ionic, covalent or metallic bonds. Means you have to search for such substances in which you can identify the bonds in them. Means you have to search for ionic substances, covalent substances and metals. Clear? And the second is discuss electron C model in detail. You have to give detailed answer in your notebook. Okay class?